So I just added a light to our little Universal Rocks Waterfall aquarium. Completely unique. Just a little idea I've come up with, and I think it's pulled off really interestingly. Imagine this sitting in the entrance to your house, or in an outdoor area, a patio or something. I reckon that looks pretty cool. Definitely something different, something very attractive, something very unique. So if you're looking for something very unique and interesting, come and check out our Universal Rocks Waterfall aquarium. This will be the first of many. Once I sell this one, I'll make another one. I've actually already ordered another one. Come in all different sizes, all different shapes. The next big thing. You saw it here first. Majestic Aquariums TV.